quality. It's at the core of what we do, not just in the materials we choose, but in the craftsmanship we demand. For over decades, Fascina has been well known with excellence, delivering PVC-U windows and doors that redefine reliability, security, and innovation. Founded in 1987, Fascina is one of the leading fabricators of high-performance PVC-U windows and doors in Southeast Asia. Headquartered in Singapore with advanced manufacturing in Malaysia, we've grown with one vision: to elevate everyday living through craftsmanship and care. Every Fascina product begins with European machinery and uncompromising standards. Our fully automated production ensures flawless consistency, while in-house specialists oversee each step from extrusion to fusion welding, guaranteeing strength that lasts for generations. From concept idea to installation to after-sales service, Fascina's process is meticulous. Custom designs are engineered for performance, tested against extreme weather, and installed by our certified teams. Our FaciCare service offers dedicated maintenance, ensuring your windows and doors perform flawlessly for decades. Our window shields your home from unwanted sound and provides more peaceful living. Proven through testing, clear float glass shows higher heat levels, while our low E and translucent Lamy glass deliver better insulation. Our window channels rainwater away effortlessly. With Fascina's watertight system and advanced drainage are built to resist leaks in extreme tropical weather and protecting your home with advanced security. Fascina's PVC-U systems outperform. Choose from classic whites, wood grains, or modern metallics, all backed by industry-leading warranties. From Singapore's skyline to premium developments across Southeast Asia, Fascina meets international export standards. Our systems are trusted where excellence is non-negotiable. Our commitment is validated by the world's toughest benchmarks, from acoustic performance to weather performance. Responsible innovation is our mandate. With fully recyclable PVC-U systems and energy-optimized designs, Fascina delivers performance that protects both living spaces and the environment without compromise. Looking ahead, what's next for Fascina?
The industry is moving fast, and so are we. Whether it's new material, smarter technology, or expanding our footprints, our goal is to keep improving. But no matter how far we go, our focus stays the same: delivering quality products that stand the test of time. And that's why our key business partners continue to trust and grow with us.
For every project and dream home, Fascina blends beauty, resilience, and responsibility, because every space deserves excellent. Let's build better together. Fascina, reliability and quality begins here.